So for this video po, pag-uusapan natin ang derivative of exponential function. So ang formula po ng derivative of exponential function ay ito. So the derivative of our e to the u is equal to e to the u du. So in this case, sa example natin, y is equal to 5e to the x over 3e to the x plus 1. So as you can see, this is po a quotient. Okay, so we will apply quotient rule as well as the derivative of exponential function. So sa quotient rule, we have to identify our u and our v. So ito yung ating u, ito yung ating v. So we will write it accordingly yung sa quotient rule. So if you can still remember, the formula of our quotient rule is v du minus u times the derivative of your v over v squared. So ito po yung formula ng quotient rule. So we will write this function using the quotient rule muna, then we will apply the exponential function later. So magiging ganito po siya. Okay? So y prime is equal to v. So ang v natin is 3 e to the x plus 1 times the derivative of your u, which is c5 e to the x minus our u again, 5 e to the x times the derivative of our v, which is c3 e to the x plus 1 all over, yan, v squared. So ating v is 3 e to the x plus 1. Now, we will take the derivative na of, ito sila, no? Derivative of 5 e to the x and derivative of 3 e to the x plus 1. So, ang gagawin natin, of course, copy lang natin itong hindi kasama, no, sa pagkuha ng derivative. So, ito si 3, change ko lang yung color. Ito si 3 e to the x plus 1, copy lang natin yan. 3 e to the x plus 1. Okay, tapos the derivative of our 5 e to the x. So as you can see, using the formula, derivative of e to the u is e to the u du. So copy lang natin si e to the u. So yung e to the u natin is 5 e to the x. Tapos daw po, the derivative of your u. Ayan siya. So our u here is si x. So the derivative of x is 1. So pwede niyong lagyan ng 1 dyan, or you can just omit 1 kasi 1 times this 1 is itself. Okay? Tapos, ayan, minus. Copy natin. Minus itong 5 e to the x. Okay? Times the derivative of this. So, the derivative of, again, 3 e to the x is, copy natin si 3 e to the x. Okay, based on the formula, times the derivative of your u, which is your x, which is the derivative of x is 1, you can put 1 or hindi na. Okay? Tapos, kasi 1 times this is ito pa rin naman. Pagkatapos nun, by the way, may squared po pala yan. Tapos, copy natin yung ating denominator. 3 e to the x plus 1 squared. Tapos ngayon po, simplify na lang po natin yung ating answer. So, una, i-distribute muna natin. Ito, so, si 3 e to the x times 5 e to the x is 3 times 5, that's 15. Tapos take note, e to the x plus e to the x, same base. So, copy natin si base. Yung function nila ay maa-add lang. So, x plus x is equal to 2x. Okay, tapos si 1 times 5e to the x, of course, is plus 5e to the x pa rin. Minus ito, 5e to the x times 3e to the x. Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15. Tapos e to the x times e to the x. Same base, si e lang. So copy si e. Tapos yung exponent ni e, maa-add lang siya together. So x plus x is equal to 2x. Tapos itong denominator natin, copy lang natin siya. Okay? Copy lang natin. 3 e to the x plus 1 squared. Now, as you can see, 15, may 15e to the 2x, tapos meron tayong minus 15e to the 2x. Of course, para lang tayong nag-subtract, no? Parang 1 minus 1 equals 0. So, 15e to the 2x minus 15e to the 2x is 0. So, our final answer po ngayon is si 5e to the x over 3e to the x plus 1 raised to 2. So, meron po tayong answer.